Next, in 4.1, question number 5, the given, see here, the total value with GST of a remote control toy car is rupees 1770 rupees. Rate of GST is 18% on toys. Find the taxable value CGST and SGST for this toy car. See here, they given not taxable value, they given total value with the GST paid by customer. Total rupees paid by customer is given 1770 rupees, and we find out the taxable value central GST and state GST. Take the solution of fifth question. See here, the total value with GST of a remote control toy car is rupees 1770, right? And the given rate of GST is equal to 18%. See, rate of GST is say 18%. Therefore, we know that the rate of CGST means central GST as 9%, as well as a rate of SGST is equal to 9%. See here, total GST is equal to state GST plus central GST. Suppose we know that, तो हमें मालूम नहीं है टैक्सेबल वैल्यू क्या है, इसलिए हमें x लेना है. तो लिखो सपोज taxable value of a remote control car is X. Therefore, GST is equal to 18% of X. See here, 18% means you remove the percentage sign, divisible by 100, of means into X. तो GST क्या है? 18X divided by 100. See here. Next. Amount paid by customer is equal to, तो हमने लिखा था टैक्सेबल वैल्यू प्लस जीएसटी. टैक्सेबल वैल्यू क्या है? x है, राइट? तो हमने सपोज बोल के पुट किया था x and GST is 18x divided by 100, and the amount paid by customer, total amount paid by customer is rupees 1770 rupees. So see here, cross multiply here, 100x plus 18x divided by 100 is equal to 1770. Cross multiplication, 1770 into 100. 100x plus 18x is 118x. 1770 into 100 is 177000 is equal to 118 into x. Therefore x is equal to 117,000 divided by 118. See here, 1500. So x is equal to rupees 1500. This is the taxable value is rupees 1500. See here, we put the taxable value as x. The value of x is rupees 1500. Therefore, right here, taxable value is x is equal to rupees 1500. Then we find out CGST, means central GST, is equal to 9% of taxable value. 9% of x is 1500, right? 9, remove the percentage sign, divided by 100 into 1000, 0 0 get cancelled, 59 is 135. Also SGST is equal to 9% of rupees 15,000. So 9 divided by 100 into 1500, 0 0 get cancelled, 135. See here, SGST. Again, you see here, total amount paid by customer is 1770. You add GST is total GST is, see here, 135 into 2 is again 170, 270. See here, taxable value plus central GST or GST as total GST is equal to 270. See here, 270 plus 1500 as 7750 is the customer paid, total amount paid by the customer. So remaining problem you solve in homework. If any doubt, then ask in WhatsApp. Okay.